Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So kids videos need to be fun, colorful, simple and engaging. With OpenArt you can create bright characters and scenes, then turn them into short animated videos for YouTube. You can also turn them into short animated videos for TikTok or learning content. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to make kids videos using OpenArt in 2026. So choose a simple idea first. So good ideas like learning ABC, numbers, colors, or short stories, fun characters doing actions, or songs like rhythms and so on. So for example, like you can take this idea like learning colors with a cute character. Okay, so create kid-friendly characters like OpenArt image generator. Okay, use prompts like this. For example, this is just an example that you can take into consideration. Okay, so cute cartoon character, bright colors, big eyes, friendly smile, kids animation style. Okay, so keep simple design, bright colors, kids connect with simple visuals. Okay, so create colorful scenes like generate play background classrooms, fantasy worlds. Okay, for example, you have this another prompt like colorful background, bright lighting, cartoon style, happy atmosphere. Okay, so keep it cheerful. Okay, generate short clips now. So use OpenArt video generator prompts like, for example, cute character waving, simple animation, bright colors, happy mood. Okay, so keep clips from 2 to 4 seconds, short attention span. Okay, and that's it, guys. So then add voice, like use 11 laps, fan sound effects. Okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.